In this video, we will show you how to live streaming with 3D face look like this. Okay, you can live streaming and change your face into 3D version using animals, cartoon, or even human face. How to do that? First in here, you need to software called OBS Studio and the Animes. Okay, the first thing you must install is Animes. Just click try Animes free here. After you download the file, you can just double click and install them. After done, the next, you need to install OBS Studio. This is for streaming and recording. Just download installer here. The step is the same. After you download the installer, you need just double click and install the OBS. After both software installed on your machine, go to your Animes first. Okay, I will close every configuration here. Okay, to start from scratch, except my game. Okay, this is my game, just for example. First, after you install the Animes and OBS, open the Animes. Okay, just type Animes and you will see Animes Launcher. After you see Animes Launcher, just click Launch Animes. You can close the window while the Animes Launcher is running. Okay, after that, you can wait until this loading complete and choose your avatar version. Okay, I like using this version. To change your avatar, just click in here and you can even using human face like this. Okay, you can select any avatar listed here and there is many option you can choose. Okay, just wait until this loading is done. Okay, this is the human version. Okay, you can change the head, hair, clothes, and texture, whatever you like, but I prefer using animal. This is kid version. After this done, to remove the background, we suggest you to using green screen background. How to using green screen background? To using green screen background, you need just select this option. After this loading is complete, we will select this background. Okay, don't forget to select green screen in here. If you don't use this, we can remove later for the background. Okay, after the animes is complete, go to your OBS Studio. Type OBS on your computer that you just install. I will remove all configuration in OBS to start from scratch. How you can live streaming. I will live streaming into the stage. Okay, I will delete this. Okay, delete all the configuration. By default, the OBS skin and source will look like this. Or if your skin is no listed here, just click plus and create skin. After that, at the first is the window for game. I will select game capture because we want to streaming using game. Just click OK and select your game by specific window. I will using master12.x. This is my game. Okay, I will click OK here. You can adjust the size of the screen. And the next, click add source again and select a video capture device. It means your webcam. Okay, just click OK. And in the device, select just Animes virtual camera. It means your USB video device is your original, but in here because we changed to 3D using Animes, click OK. You can also resize these Animes. Okay, to remove watermark, you need to paid version, but I think for this tutorial, this is enough. After that, to remove the green background, just right click and select filters. And click plus sign here and select the chroma key and click OK. Because green screen can remove this background. Just close this. Okay, now you have mastered well your game and you have your 3D avatar. Now, setting for streamings. Just click settings here. And for streaming, you need just to connect with your account. It's very easy. Okay, to save memory, I won't just close this browser. Okay, this is stream and I already connect to my Twitch account. So let's show the Twitch. Click OK. And after that, just click start streaming. This is connecting. Okay, let us show in streaming. Select Twitch and on your profile, select stream summary and select stream manager here. Now you have 3D face with your game here. Okay, because my computer specification is minimum, you can see my move of the 3D is actually not smooth. But it's depend on your computer specification. If your computer specification is high, you will have the smooth movement of your avatar. Okay, and that's all. Tutorial how we can live stream using 3D avatar or 3D faces here. Let's see when I close my game. Okay, my movement of enemies will smooth. You can see. Okay, and that's all. How you can live stream with 3D avatar or 3D face. Hope this video